Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to look at getting started with Wholesale FBA. Now, for those of you who don't know what that is, well, essentially, Wholesale FBA is the process of you buying products from a supplier and you then sending those products into Amazon fulfillment centers to sell via fulfillment by Amazon. So hi, my name's Jason, by the way. If you're completely new to the channel, if you haven't watched any of my videos before, I run a printing company here based in the UK, and we essentially offer wholesale FBA for Amazon resellers who can sell our products, and we have a catalogue of more than 2,500 items that you can get access to completely for free. There are links for that down in the description below. So anyway, guys, I'm going to show you exactly what I mean with Wholesale FBA. I'm going to show you some of our products that you can sell. I'm going to show you exactly how you can get started selling some of our best-selling lines on Amazon via Fulfillment by Amazon today. So this is going to assume that you know how to sell on Amazon. If you don't, we do have a guide here. You can get access to this, like I said, for free. Links in the description for that. But besides that, I'm assuming you have your own Amazon seller account. You are familiar with FBA. If you're not, just head to our website and we've got plenty of resources and guides on how to actually get started selling on Amazon. So anyway, let's just jump straight in with our getting started with selling on Amazon guide. So essentially, what we're going to look at today is our Wholesale FBA guide. This is getting started with Wholesale FBA. And essentially, the first thing you want to do is inside of your Amazon seller account, you want to make sure that things are set up correctly before you start FBA. Now, you could probably skip this step if you're already working with other suppliers and you're already selling products via FBA, then you can probably skip this step. But I just want to explain to you how our products work with FBA. So like I said, we are a manufacturer and we essentially supply our own products. You can get access to our product catalog, and like I said, we have over 2,500 lines that you can actually sell on Amazon. But essentially, all of our products that we send into Amazon, we don't use manufacturer barcodes. Okay, so we don't barcode our products. Instead, what we actually do is we actually use Amazon barcodes for our products. Now, in your Amazon Seller Central, you will have settings. Let me see if I can find it and log into Amazon Seller Central here. You will have settings inside of your Amazon Seller Central where you can tell Amazon whether or not you want to use manufacturer barcode or Amazon barcode for your products. Now, you can do this on an individual product basis, but you can actually, if you're new, completely new, and you don't have any products on Amazon yet, and you intend to work solely with us and sell only our products, then what you can do is you can actually set up in your Amazon settings globally. You can actually set up your barcode preference to be Amazon barcode. So that means every time that you enroll products into FBA, it always uses the Amazon barcode. Now, you can find these settings inside of your Fulfillment by Amazon settings inside of Seller Central, which is where I'm at here. If you go to the little cogwheel at the top right hand corner, come down to Fulfillment by Amazon, and then if we just do a little find on the screen, if we type in barcode, and there's probably going to be a couple of different settings in here, but this is what we're looking at here. Okay, we're looking at this. We're looking at the FBA product barcode preference, and you can see that we have our setting here to Amazon barcode. There are two settings. There is manufacturer barcode or Amazon barcode. But like I said, you can, when you enroll products into FBA, you can tell Amazon on a product by product basis whether you're using manufacturer barcode or Amazon barcode. And the difference is essentially is that if your supplier is supplying you with products that already have barcodes on them, that is a manufacturer placed barcode, then essentially what you can do with Amazon is when that goes into the Amazon fulfillment center and they scan that product, they scan the manufacturer barcode. But if you are if you make sort of handmade products like we do, then we actually do not need to barcode our products, because we can actually just leave the barcoding process for Amazon, which means that when you create shipments for our products on Amazon, Amazon will actually supply you with the barcodes, and you actually send those barcodes over to us as part of the ordering process, which I'll show you with our FBA wizard slightly later on in this video. And essentially what that does means then when we actually produce those products for you, we actually label all of those products with the barcodes that you supply, so that when the products go into Amazon, they know what those products are. Sounds confusing. It's really not. It just means that we use Amazon barcodes. We don't use manufacturer barcodes. Anyway, moving on. Right. So I mentioned briefly a moment ago about getting started selling some of our best-selling lines on Amazon. So like I said, we do have a very large catalog. We do have more than 2,500 products that you can sell, but we do make it easy for you to actually find our best-selling products, so you can essentially start with those. So every single week we put out something called an FBA Growth Opportunities Report, okay? And this is a little snippet of it, but I'm going to pull this up in a view large version here. And like I said, guys, you can get access to this by just going to our website. There are links for that in the description down below. So this is the report for week 37. And essentially, you can see all of the, if you're probably familiar with the child ASIN on Amazon, you know, if you go to amazon.co.uk, for example, and if you type in the, you know, the child ASIN, like so, in Amazon search, it'll bring up that product, right? This is this product here, for example. This is one of the products that we actually manufacture and supply. Now, you can sell this product on Amazon. Now, you can actually just go straight to the product page using the View on Amazon button here. But to start selling this product on Amazon, you can see the FBA availability is Wholesale FBA, okay? So any of these products in this report, which are Wholesale FBA, these are the top recommendations that we recommend you buy inventory for and ship these products to Amazon and sell these products on Amazon, because these are the best-selling products that we have on Amazon right now. So if you're looking for best-selling products to add to your Amazon account, then you should look at our Growth Opportunities Report. It's updated every single Thursday, and you should go from essentially from top to bottom. This is best-selling to least selling. When I say least selling, these are our best selling products. So we give the sell-through rate in days, and you've got products which are selling through from pretty much every single day to, there are no products in this report that sell through in less than 26 days. Okay, this essentially is the top 130 recommendations. This data is actual physical data that we download from Amazon. So these are real Amazon recommendations, and you can view any of these products directly on the Amazon website, and you can see the majority of these products will have multiple ratings, 4-star, 5-star reviews, which is why we recommend that you sell these products on Amazon. So now you know how to find our best selling products. I'm going to share with you how you actually go about selling these products on Amazon FBA. Now, some of you, if you've been doing FBA for a while, you probably already know by this stage how exactly you go to start selling these products on Amazon. But if you're new to selling on Amazon, you will need to familiarize yourself with the process of what we call creating offers against an ASIN on Amazon. Because the way Amazon works is Amazon has a catalog where all sellers sell on the same listings for the same identical item. Okay, and what you do on Amazon is you create an offer. So if you have stock, so if you send stock into Amazon fulfillment centers, you create an offer against those products which you're sending in. And your offer is essentially your quantity of stock that you have into Amazon, the condition of that stock. So all products that you buy from us are obviously brand new, and the price that you set, and you completely set that price yourself. So this is how it works. So on Amazon, go to your Seller Central. I've got our Seller Central up here, so I can show you I can bring this in a moment. But essentially, you want to go to this Add Product screen here. So we've actually created a complete guide that you can just follow step by step. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to this Catalog Add Products page here. Okay. So this is list your products on Amazon. Now, if you pull up our Growth Opportunities Report and you take this child ASIN here, so I'm going to take this top recommendation right now. If I wanted to sell this product on Amazon, I would just take the child ASIN, pop this in here, press submit, and it will find that product for me. So I can now select the condition. I know the condition is new because we only sell new products, and I can click sell this product. Okay, now when I click sell this product, it's going to take me over to the Amazon offer page. This is where you offer your enter details. We've detailed this down below. And essentially what you need to do is you need to fill out the required offer, enter a SKU, enter your price. Country of origin is always United Kingdom. Condition is obviously new because we only supply new products. And fulfillment channel is you choose who is going to fulfill this item. So because you're doing FBA, Amazon will fulfill this item. Now, obviously, we do allow you to sell our products via drop shipping as well, which is FBM, fulfilled by merchant. So you can have that offer on as well. You can do an FBA offer where you send stock into Amazon. And if you want to drop ship our products, you can do that with an FBM offer as well. So as you can see, this is the Amazon listing page. And if we just look at the required attributes, so these are the ones in red, you can fill in the additional information if you want to, but it's not necessary. The quantity actually doesn't apply because once you go down to the, once you select this option down the bottom, Amazon will dispatch and provide customer service. This is fulfilled by Amazon. Once we select this option here, it will actually remove the quantity requirement. So you can just enter your price, enter your condition. So if we want to put the price, you can find price. You can find all of our list prices in our FBA catalog, which you can get access to on our website. And essentially, so if you put your price in, say for example, what's the recommended price on this? I think the recommended price is £7. Like so, you put your own SKU in, so you can make up your own SKU, whatever, it can be something random, whatever, doesn't actually matter. And then you don't actually put a quantity in when you do an FBA, because when you do an FBA, the quantity is the physical quantity of stock that we send into Amazon for you. Now I'm going to show you in a moment how you go about doing that. So that is how you create an offer on Amazon. You would then click save and finish down the bottom, scroll right to the bottom. Once you fill out all the information, press save and finish, and that product will then be added to your Amazon inventory. Now you can repeat that process for as many of the products that you want to buy inventory for from our top selling products, and essentially just repeat that process over and over again until you add all of the products to your Amazon account. Now, once you've done that, wait 15 minutes. Now, the reason why we say to wait 15 minutes is because when you make changes on Amazon, it doesn't update immediately. This is an Amazon catalog thing. It's just been this way for years. So if you wait 15 minutes, all of the changes that you have made will then be updated. Okay, they do not update immediately like they do on other marketplaces like eBay or Etsy, for example, because on Amazon, the way they work with the catalog, the changes have to propagate to all of their systems, and I'm assuming they have some complex reason why that is. I don't know the exact reason, but all I know is that if you wait 15 minutes, any changes that you make, such as adding new products or making price changes to your products on Amazon, those changes will be reflected within 15 minutes. So once you've added the products that you want to sell to your Amazon account, just wait 15 minutes after that, and then you can begin with step one, which is the send to Amazon workflow. So I'm actually going to pull this up so I can show you how this works. So let's close all of this down. So we're at the stage now where we have chosen the products that we want to sell on Amazon. We have added those products to our Amazon account, and those products are now showing up in our manage inventory page in Amazon. So we now have those products added to Amazon, but we don't have any stock yet. Okay, so this is where we need to create an FBA shipment. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the send to Amazon screen. Okay, this is the send to Amazon workflow for creating FBA shipments. And again, don't worry guys, complete step-by-step process on how you actually go through this entire process. It's actually super intuitive and really easy to do. So the first thing you want to look at here is the ship from address here, because we are obviously manufacturing the product for you. You are buying the product from us, and we are shipping the product to Amazon for you. So instead of when you work with most suppliers, you would buy products from them, they would ship the product to you, and then you would have to do all the FBA labeling and prep, and then you would finally send those products off to Amazon yourself. So what we do is we actually cut out that middle process for you. We do all the labeling and prep, and we actually ship your order directly to Amazon fulfillment centers for you. So on the step here, when you want to enter the ship from address, you just want to enter your name and this ship from details here. Okay, that's all you need to do for this stage. Now, if you're sending a product to Amazon for the first time, for example, you'll need to set the prep category. Now, obviously, I can't show you this because I haven't got products that I'm sending to Amazon for the first time, because I've only got products which we've sent to Amazon time and time again. But essentially, how it works is like so. When you go through your inventory, like say we've got Amazon inventory here, you can see you would show all of your Amazon products that you've added to your account would show here, okay, just like they do on this screen. And all you really do on Amazon is you just enter the quantity of units that you want to send to Amazon and just click. So I want to send 10 of these units. I would put 10 in the box here and click ready to pack. And if I want to send 10 of these, I'll click 10 ready to pack, 10 ready to pack, however many quantity that you want to send. Okay, so once you've done that, input your desired quantity to send, click ready to pack, and then scroll to the bottom. Once you've done that for all the products you want to send, scroll right to the bottom, and then you want to click confirm and continue. And then what this is actually going to do for you, if I click this now, ready to pack, and ready to pack, like so. I'm then going to scroll down to the bottom. I'm going to click pack individual units. So just like it says in our guide here, this is going to move you on to the next step. So all you're really doing at this stage is you are basically loading up the Amazon send to Amazon workflow, and you're just inputting the quantity of stock that you are essentially going to buy from us and have us shipped to Amazon for you. So where I just put 10 in each of those boxes, that is me saying, I'm going to buy 10 of those, I'm going to buy 10 of those, and I'm going to buy 10 of those. Okay, these products here. And I'm then going to continue with the Amazon workflow, and then I'm going to show you how to actually submit your order over to us for processing, so that we can actually go ahead, manufacture that stock, and get that shipped into Amazon for you. So again, we're going to go back to our guide here. So assuming everything will fit into one box, so you just go follow everything on the screen here, right? Everything is exactly the same every single time. So everything will fit into one box. Let me just restore that because my browser decided to crash. So everything to fit into one box, you can use a standard box size of 40, 35, 25, and you can use a default box weight of, so you just put 40, 35, 25, and you can just put a default box weight of 10 kilograms. Confirm packing information, like so. Now you may encounter a warning message, box volume does not meet the minimum expected. That's because you'll see it come up in a big yellow box down here. That is because we're using a default box size and weight that covers, essentially would cover all shipments. Now the reason why we do this is because it makes it easier for you to just go through your shipment much quicker. But what you'll tend to get is a warning message which says that the box volume, which essentially the total weights of the items that you're sending into Amazon, don't match the volumetric weight of these box dimensions and weight. You can ignore this message, just click confirm and continue, and don't worry about that. So next step, confirm shipping, enter your desired shipping date. Okay, so again, this is another sort of, it's a necessary step, but it's not important. So essentially, when you send your shipment over to us for processing and you upload your sort of shipment information, the processing date, we will aim to process your shipment usually within the next 10 business days. Okay, so that's when we will essentially aim to ship your shipment. So what you can do is you can actually choose a ship to date, essentially any time within the next 10 business days. It doesn't actually matter the date that you send it. It just gives Amazon an advisory of when they can roughly expect the shipment. Okay, so we will aim to ship your products to Amazon within the next 10 working days, and that is subject to the size of your shipment. Obviously, if you are submitting a smaller shipment, we'll get that done perhaps in just 2 to 3 days. Or if you've got a very large shipment, then it may take us up to 10 working days to actually process that shipment for you. It doesn't really matter, but you do have to enter a shipment date. So just enter a shipment date some point within the next 10 working days. It actually makes no difference whatsoever. The next step is to do the shipping mode and the shipping carrier, and you want to select small parcel delivery as the shipping mode, choose UPS as the partner carrier, and accept charges to confirm shipping. Now, as you can see here, this is already pre-selected. Always select small parcel delivery, and UPS is the Amazon partner carrier, and Amazon do basically shipment rates as cheap as you can possibly get, right? You wouldn't be able to send, we couldn't even send this box into Amazon for £2.80. So the fact that Amazon give you this discounted rate is just, well, it's just absolutely brilliant. Choose the UPS Amazon partner carrier. You will then be charged £2.80 to your Amazon seller account, and Amazon will essentially provide you with a shipment label that you'll send over to us in the next step. And the shipping costs, like I said, will be charged directly to your Amazon account. The next step, which is a step that I can't go through because I don't want to confirm the charges, because obviously I'm going to cancel this shipment in just a sec. But the next step is to essentially print your box labels and print your shipping labels, which come up on the next screen. It tells you how to do it here. You just select the thermal printing option, which is the 6x4, and then you save those files as a PDF, because you will need to upload your shipping labels, your pack list, and your SKU labels into our FBA wizard on the next step. So let's go and do that. So before I do that, let's just delete this workflow, because I'm obviously not going to be continuing with that. So the next step is to open up our FBA wizard. So open up our FBA wizard, guys. You can click this link here. This is going to pull up our FBA wizard, and this is where you actually upload your shipment information. So the first thing you want to do is you want to pop your email address in. The second thing you need to do is you need to tell us the total size of your shipment. So for example, the shipment that I was just doing was 30 units. Tell us your expected ship date. Like I said, we will aim to ship your order within sort of the next 10 working days, and just set the ship date to wherever you've set this on Amazon. So I think that was the 27th that I put that in. Next, you want to attach your file. So it tells you what files it needs. So it needs the SKU labels, it needs the pick list, and it needs the box labels from Amazon. So you would click browse to select those files that you've downloaded from Amazon, and then you would confirm that you have uploaded all of those files by confirm that all necessary files have been attached. And then two final things: declaration and confirmation. You understand that you'll be charged the unit cost for each unit contained within this shipment. So the unit cost can be found in our FBA catalog. You can find our FBA catalog inside your account on our website. This is our retailer app. You'll get access to this once you create an account with us. If you scroll down inside the retailer app, you'll get access here to our FBA catalog and price list. And if you pull up our FBA catalog and price list, then you will be able to find all of our unit costs for all of the products in our catalog. So there you go. Unit cost FBA, it's this column here that you're actually looking all the unit costs here. So if we actually go to the permit disc holders that we were just looking at, so in the car accessories, so we're just looking at permit disc holders here. You can see the list price was £7 and the cost per unit is £3.15. So that is the cost that you will be charged per unit. So once you've done that, second declaration, understand that I may cancel or amend this shipment up until 3 business days for the specified ship date. So when you specify your ship date here, which is, I've specified the 27th of December, just bear in mind that you can actually get in touch with us to either cancel that shipment or amend the shipment. Say you want to add units or take units away. You can do that up until 3 business days of the specified date that you put in that box. So just bear that in mind. Once you've done that, verify that you're human, because we don't accept orders from robots, and then just submit the order. And then what happens after you submit the order is that we will essentially invoice the units at the unit cost shown in our FBA catalog, and you will receive an invoice from us. Then pay that invoice. Once that invoice is paid, we'll start processing your shipment. We'll label and prep everything for FBA, and we will ship that order directly to Amazon for you, and you do not need to do anything else. The only thing you need to do is, once that shipment arrives at Amazon, just monitor your stock levels, and as you sell through the inventory, just repeat the process. Come back to this guide if you're not sure how to do it, and just order new stock or add new products, and just do that over and over and over again. Super simple, guys. Once you get into FBA is just so easy. You just let Amazon handle everything for you. They literally just do everything. The only thing you need to do is just manage your inventory levels. Super simple. Really easy way to make money. Just sell our best selling products and just buy inventory as and when you need it. Anyway, guys, there you are. I think that's going to wrap today's video up with that. That's all we're going to look at today, getting started with FBA. In particular, we looked at Wholesale FBA. If you want to learn more about our various FBA programs, obviously we have FBA, Wholesale FBA, which is what I've discussed today. But we also have a passive FBA profit share program, which is essentially a program where you can do FBA, but without the requiring an Amazon seller account bit and worrying about FBA shipments or anything like that. So if you want to check that out, you can check that out using the links down in the description before. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. Otherwise, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hopefully I'll see you guys over on the site. Anyway, I'll catch you later, and I'll see you in the next video.